Introducing the Corvex Connected Worker Platform. This digital platform allows your teams to be more productive by using intuitive technology that improves communication, supports safety, and manages the data you need to operate at your best. Here's how it works. The Corvex Connected Worker Platform is a software platform that runs on multiple components, including your own Android or Apple devices. Our easy-to-use software on handheld devices or tablets makes communicating simple and transparent. Through continuous loop communications, teams can identify, document, and share operational data while providing ideas and feedback in real time. With the industrial workforce today going through a generational turnover, our easy-to-use interface facilitates training, retention, and recruitment of younger workers. Our IoT infrastructure collects and delivers information to and from workers when and where they need it, giving them more time to do their job right. Information is both pushed to and pulled from your frontline workforce throughout the organization. Low-energy Bluetooth beacons are strategically placed to create multiple zones in your facility. This makes it easy for workers to receive the right information at the right time on things like PPE requirements, content and audit, and inspection information. Core targets can also be placed on critical assets for on-demand specific information when they need it. The Corvex Connected Platform provides digital tools that streamline processes and gather real-time data from those doing the work. This creates transparency between workers, supervisor, and managers. By creating a more connected team, Corvex helps improve the workplace experience in a variety of ways. Beacons create virtual safety zones to keep workers safe and give them real-time contextual information about their surroundings. This includes sending alerts, which allows them to make observations on issues that need attention. They also allow for comprehensive audit, inspection, and safety observations. When done right, digital inspections increase productivity by quickly identifying what's working well and what needs to be improved. The Corvex Connected Platform gives your teams the tools to be more effective, which leads to improved performance and reduced turnover. And a more motivated and engaged team drives success. Just look at the results Corvex customers have experienced after implementing the platform. 85% improvement in recordable safety incidents. Up to 50% time savings for workers and managers. Contributed to 9% increase in overall unit productivity. 57% reduction in employee turnover. 55% decrease in quality rework. Increased awareness and usage of PPE. The future workplace is digital, and that future is here with the Corvex Connected Worker Platform. Corvex Connected Worker. Engage your frontline worker, empower your organization for performance.